A reputation can be a good thing, if you have one for being the life of the party. It's not so good when it's for snoring. In fact, it can be downright deadly. That's why if you snore, you're going to want to listen up. While snoring may not seem like a big deal, it's a symptom of a disease called sleep apnea. And crazily enough, sleep apnea is a very serious and potentially fatal disease. People with sleep apnea stop and start breathing hundreds of times during the night because this depletes their brain of precious oxygen. They rarely feel like they got a good night's sleep, and they often walk around in a mental fog. While on its own this would be bad enough, the news gets worse. Sleep apnea can also cause or worsen high blood pressure, heart disease, strokes, diabetes, liver problems, dementia, cancer, and depression. Fortunately, there's a solution. At Safer Sleep, we offer an extremely accurate home diagnostic tool for sleep apnea. This small painless device measures airflow, heart rate, and oxygen levels, so we can determine whether you stop and start breathing while you're asleep. Simply wear the device overnight, return it to our office the next day, and our board-certified sleep physicians will evaluate the results. If you're diagnosed with sleep apnea, they'll recommend one of our comfortable and effective treatment options, which are usually covered by insurance. Don't ignore your snoring any longer. It could be deadly. Instead, schedule a sleep consultation with Safer Sleep today by visiting safersleep.com or by calling 526-354-2536. In no time, we'll help you get a good night's rest.